Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. In this video I would like to talk about surrendering. Most of us go through our lives in our mental, intellectual, strategizing our life and designing and creating it. We've been conditioned and programmed through school how to leverage your finances, how to leverage your career, how to pretty much design your life. And it's been all through this mental perspective or intellectual way of designing our lives, all in the goals to reaching peace and happiness and success, and ultimately being happy and feeling like we have lived our purpose. Although it has good intentions, most never really get there. And when you do get there, you find out that that was it. You don't really feel the gratitude and the real sense of fulfillment at the end of the day. So, now that I'm speaking about surrender, when we actually surrender, we stop the analytical, intellectual mind from having control of every little aspect of our life, because we feel like we need to have control to create this result. But when we surrender, what we end up doing, we allow our heart and allow our emotions and allow the control to not be there no more. And what ends up happening is we naturally allow and align ourselves to truly doing the things that will lead us to the same goal that we wanted. The happiness, the success, the infinite joy, and all those things that people aspire to get to. We can get to those in a faster way and streamlining to the end result by just simply surrendering. By surrendering, we lose the control of wanting to control every aspect of our lives that obviously have not led us to the results that we wanted. So in surrendering, we truly just become present. We become our true self. We become this pure awareness, pure consciousness, pure stillness. And all the things that we thought we needed to do to get to this final peace, we already get there. So we do not need to do this, do that, do this, and then we hit this peace. We can just go straight directly into the peace. And when we're directly in the peace, guess what ends up happening? There's no control. You're flowing intuitively. You're flowing, you're doing as you are being gravitating to do, as you are being pulled and magnetically charged to be in the space to be happy ultimately. So when we surrender, we stop all the suffering, because we're not so tied up in the stress of the mind no more. We're not so ever working and trying to do all these things. It's two different paradigms, two different dimensions of reality. And when we surrender, we actually enter the space. We actually allow for the world to happen. And whatever we're supposed to be, we will be. Whatever is our destiny and our purpose and our dharma for why we're here in this world, we will naturally gravitate to it when we surrender. It is the difference between living in your heart and living in the mind. When we surrender, you truly allow yourself to love unconditionally without any conditions and expectations. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment with your observations. Subscribe. Until next video, Namaste, Amitabha. All is love. Peace.